Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Travel Boardwalk. Today we're going to be going on a nature walk at Helene Klein Nature Trail. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Alright, so they do have a lot of plants that I can see right here. I like those three little trees right there. They're like almost dead. And they do have a little water fountain over here. Just in case you guys want to drink some water. They have the trail going that way. And then the trail begins right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The hours of this park is from 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. And this is how big the park is. Look at it. Alright guys, so let's just keep going into the park. I think my lens is a little bit bad. Hold on, I gotta... Much better. Way much better. Wow guys, I am sorry about that. Yeah, this is way much better now. Wow, look at this park. Yeah, a lot of cool trees up there. They're all kind of like dying, it looks like it. I don't know. Yeah, everything looks like it's kind of dying, guys. I have no idea what's going on. There is an only one way when you get to the fork in the road. It looks like, I don't know guys, it kind of looks like everything's been burnt down. Looks kind of weird. It has an eerie look to it. See, like, look at this wood. It's black. It looks charred. I don't know. It's weird. Everything looks black. I mean, there's a lot of green. There is right here, but the majority of it is black. But it goes all the way up. It makes no sense because it goes all the way up there and all the way up on the trees is black too. Even this palm over here. Look, let me go in here. Going in the cut right now. Because look, even these are not supposed to be this color, guys. Like these palms right here. This palm right here is not supposed to be that color. This is so weird. Wow. Everything around me is black. It's so weird, guys. Let me get out of here and keep walking down the trail. Whoa, almost slipped, guys, almost slipped. Here they're getting more brownish. They're getting more like regular colored, like a regular colored tree, but the beginning was very weird, guys. They're saying hi to me. Hello. The trees are going back to normal. But that was weird in the beginning. See, look, the trees are normal now. The beginning looked very eerie. Yeah, there's signs of life now. It's normal. So you guys can see the trees all brown and everything, but that beginning part, I gotta let you guys know, it did seem like something out of a horror movie or something. Because look at this now. This is just like the tree that I put my hand on before. And see, it's not I mean, it's dead, but it's not burnt. It's not black. I might have to stop and take a few pictures of the beginning because that straight up looked like a horror film. That's nice. It says habitat restoration in progress. See, habitation restoration in progress. Maybe that's why they burned it. That's the only thing I can think of because everything is green right here. Okay, yes. Look at that. Yeah, it says prescribed burns. Okay, so yes, what we did see in the beginning was a controlled prescribed burn of this place to get the habitat, to manage the habitat, I guess. Yeah, that was kind of weird. You guys gotta understand, I've never seen something like that in Florida before. So, well, seeing trees like that, all black, that was just very, very weird. So guys, I think this trail walk is a mile long, so it's not that long. It's manageable. I'm fat. I weigh 200 something pounds. These plants are really cool. I like these plants. So guys, yeah, we are at like the Hillsborough area. I know I come here a lot. I know one of my last videos was here too. So we're back around almost the same little area, just out of New Park. Oh, what is this? A boardwalk? This is a boardwalk, guys. Look. Wow. So it elevates off the ground. That's pretty neat. Wow, it keeps on going all the way down. Look at these little butterflies right here. Wow. Nice. What is that kind of bee? Wow, you see that bee? Whoa, whoa, it's fast. It's fast moving, look at that. Let's see if whoa, it just went. You got the road over there. You can see the road. Alright guys, so hopefully we're almost done with this park because I'm getting tired of walking too. And I'm getting tired of holding this big thing up. Look at it. Hopefully we're at the end. I think we're getting close. Yeah, this is right where we started, guys. You guys remember this? Yep. So guys, I just came across this. Yeah, I'm no longer in the park. That is where we came from, right there. That is where we came from. I had to go into the car and grab my soda. Yeah, look at this view though. But this is not what I turned my camera on and I wanted to show you guys. What I wanted to show you guys was this thing that I came across right here. Look at this, guys. This is awesome. That is so cool. And I didn't have you guys on my mic. I'm sorry, I had you on the mic right here from the camera, not my actual mic that I have here. But yeah, it looks like this tree was broken in half. No, it wasn't broken. It was just broken off a tree up there. Look at it. Huh. Came from up there somewhere, and all the little plants are right there that I just showed you. I almost tripped over this thing right here. Yeah, look at it though. It's very cool. Look at this little fella right here. Let's see if he stays still and let me catch him. Oh no, he blew away. He went away. You see him? Look at the ground. Yes, guys, I am wearing Crocs. When we came here, there was somebody sitting right here. Now they're not here, but they had a nice view. Alright, well guys, I'm going to end the video here. If we go to any other place, then I will be sure to record it, guys. But as far as for now, we're going to have to leave this park because it's going to close very, very soon. Alright guys, well until next time, later.